Once you visibly see your circle, determine which side the light is going to enter your sphere. I'm choosing the left side. At the left top will be the source of light, so the opposite side will be the darkest part of the circle. Then you can begin with light strokes, filling in the circle around the edge, as close to the edge as you can. If you're not touching the edge, that's okay for now. We're going to do a series of cross-hatching markings to fill in the circle. First, we will go one direction. I'm choosing to go left to right. Then I will change my paper around so that I can cross all of those lines in the other direction, still moving left to right. Left to right, left to right. My pencil is lightly touching the paper, just enough to see the pencil. And as you go left to right on top of the lines that are already there, you're filling in more of the white space. Continue to do this across your sphere. Again, you're going to turn the paper again, and now you're going to go diagonal across all of the lines that you just did. Take your time, there's no rush. Turn your paper again and go diagonal the other way. Once you're done, you can begin to get closer to the line that's around the circle. Pressing your pencil a little bit heavier, but you're also filling in more white space by going on top of the cross hatching that you just did. Remember to leave your space white where your source of light is coming in onto the circle that will turn into a ball shape because it becomes three-dimensional with the shading. Feel free to turn your paper as many times as you need to in order to fill in the white space with cross-hatching lines that are gently placed on top of the lines that you've already shaded in. The more you fill in, the more your circle should begin to form into a three-dimensional ball. Notice I'm leaving the light source area to show that there is light, and on the opposite side, I begin to use my pencil, pressing it down a little bit firmer so that the ball is no longer just sitting in the air, it's laying flat. Notice that the darker line that's on the bottom right, which will be sort of a rectangular shape, sort of a flattened triangle, not precisely, but with jagged edges. It allows the ball somewhere to sit down. Then go up to your light source, the side that's at the top left, and begin to erase the line that is visible. And you have completed your circle that was made into a 3D ball. Congratulations. I'm sure you did a fine job.